Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to chat about something I'm sure we've all grappled with at one time or another. Procrastination. You know, that sneaky habit of putting off tasks until the last minute? We're going to play detective and uncover the reasons behind procrastination. It's like understanding why we sometimes hit the snooze button in the morning. It's not just laziness, there's more to the story. Let's delve in. Understanding procrastination. 1. More than just laziness. First off, let's bust a myth. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. It's often a complex dance of psychology, environment, and emotions. It's like an iceberg. There's much more beneath the surface. 1. The emotional component. Often, procrastination is tied to emotions. It could be fear of failure, a desire for perfection, or even fear of success. It's like avoiding the gym because you're afraid you won't be as fit as others. Identifying causes of procrastination. 1. Lack of motivation. Sometimes we procrastinate because we lack a strong reason to do the task. It's like not wanting to clean your room because, well, it doesn't really bother you that much. 1. Overwhelm and indecision. Feeling overwhelmed by a task can lead to paralysis by analysis. It's like standing in front of a huge buffet and not knowing where to start. 1. Poor time management. If you don't have a good handle on how you spend your time, it's easy to keep pushing tasks off. It's like packing for a trip last minute because you didn't plan ahead. 1. Fear of failure. The fear of not doing a task perfectly can lead to not doing it at all. It's like not applying for a job because you're scared you won't get it. 1. Lack of clear goals. Without clear goals, it's hard to see the value in tasks, leading to procrastination. It's like wandering around without a map. You'll get somewhere, but probably not where you need to be. Strategies to overcome procrastination. 1. Breaking tasks into smaller steps. Tackle overwhelm by breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. It's like eating a pizza slice by slice instead of trying to eat it all at once. 1. Understanding your why. Connect with the reason behind why you need to complete a task. It gives your actions purpose and motivation. 1. Creating a supportive environment. Set up your environment to minimize distractions and temptations. It's like removing junk food from your kitchen when you're trying to eat healthily. 1. Reframing your thoughts. Change how you view the task. Instead of seeing it as a chore, view it as a step towards achieving your goals. So, let's start addressing these causes one by one. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step, and that includes the journey to overcoming procrastination. You've got this, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's turn procrastination into action together.